Yeah. Yeah. It's Ray. And I sing cause I want to, cause I'm happy. Cause I'm happy. I sing cause I want to. Yeah. I sing cause I'm happy. Yeah. We got the singing in reality. Yeah. I sing cause I'm happy. Yeah, because it makes me happy. Joyous to be a singing sensation. Singing brings so much joy to me. I sing 'cause I'm happy. Yeah, we got singing within reality. Yeah, I sing 'cause I'm happy. I sing 'cause I want to sing. It makes me so joyous. I sing with so much joy. Yeah, I sing 'cause I'm happy. Yes, where we are with the reality. Yes, rain. Yeah. I sing 'cause I'm happy. Yeah, I sing 'cause I want to sing. This is RAY, and I'm gonna write up a song. I might do one that I already wrote. Yeah. Getting lost on the island. Getting lost on the island. Yeah, sing as I want to. Yeah, sing as I'm happy to do so. So I sing to everybody. Yeah, sing as I'm happy. Yeah, sing as I want to. Hold on, man. Hold on. I'll be singing 'cause I want to. That's what I like to do. In reality, the reality is the realization, and that's my sensation. That's what I get a thrill out of. Hey, and this is Ray. I like to sing every single second and moments, the moments and minutes and seconds. Yeah, I like to sing. That's what I like to do. Every second I like to sing. Every minute I like to sing. We got singing in reality. Every second I like to sing. I will be doing. I like to sing. So, this is what I wrote like a year ago. No, this is what I wrote like some months ago, my bad. Alright. It say, getting lost on the island on a tour bus. Tourist. Lost and found. Having nice and found places that we find. I like being that personality. I like being the person that be command certain things. We command all the communities because we be the community. The whole world is unity. Getting lost on the door. Oh, like Rudolph. Everybody on the spaceship. Oh. On the on the sleigh.
So we slid in the snow. We went straight to pour it down. When it's just sprinkle. Oh, when it's hot outside, we like to do whatever it is that we do on the tours. So it's the tourist.
Getting lost on the island, lost and found. Yeah, we like to find the things that we found and find lots of tourist guys. Here we guys.
Here we guys. We are the tourist touristing. Ooh.
Get lost and found on an island.
Oh, it's our land, the world is a land. The islands, it's us on the lands. We be landing like landing gears. We be landing on the land. Ooh, the land full of tourists and we touring. Get lost and found on an island. It's our land, it's our land. Landing on the land with the sound and profound and get lost on an island. Ooh, hey, this is Ray. And I'll be the tourist guide just like you every day. Yeah.
The commander in chain effect of the domino effect. Even though I wrote this like a month ago, 2 months, 3 months, I don't even remember. It had to be about 3 months ago. I know that I be getting lost and found on the islands on the world. Find lots of things that we do.
And the tourist guys, oh yeah, we guide us, yeah we do.
We be us on a tour bus. Tour us, tourist, you know.
We go everywhere, getting lost and found, like we like to be us on a tour bus. Woo! Shout out to us.
So I'm about to actually write a song right now. Got something I wrote like 2-3 months ago. 2-3 months ago.
A long time ago. A long time ago, 2-3 months as far as me writing something up. Cause I like to write a lot, even though I don't share my writings a lot. I be freestyling a lot. I've always been a freestyler. I've always been a writer. Shout out to the writers and readers. We be the ones that be writing and reading. Shout out to authors, illustrators, the writings, the readings, the illustratings, authoring. Oh, this is great storytelling, even though I'm singing and writing, writing and freestyling. So shout out to freestyling.
In the writing. Shout out to the writing and reading. The illustration. Illustration. The illustration. Illustration us is the machine. Dimensions. Dimension. The mentioning stuff, so we know the dimensions is the straight that we are demonstrators, it's our demonstration demonstration. Hey, this is the one that we mentioned for all mentions for all that mention. This is ready. Freestyle. You know, I'll be still like my head do that rock. Getting lost and found in the city. We don't move around. Make us go out. We be the tourist. Straight. Yeah. Press in. We once again. This is, I'm a dancer, illustrator, I'm an illustrator, I'm an author, I'm a writer, even a dancer, even then I'll be not leveled in, then I'm level headed, then once again, I'll be good, I'm lost found in the 10 islands in the world. I'm an illustrator, orchestrator, so I think that I'm the best. Yeah. That's what I'm ready. Sleep, sleep. Gentle trees, trees islands, sharing, feeling the sheer lots, the Carolites, Debbie orchestrating us as far as just being at wonder. Anyway. Again, so I'll let now. Illustrators demonstrating the mentionings of the hopping around, being energetic with sound, being a jack of all trades like a jack bunny rabbit. You know, I'll be doing all type of stuff, and so and I'll be having running sentences, and then I'll just cut it short sometimes. So just right now, I could have kept it going, and so I just, just said what I said, and so I just jump from character to character also, and that's actually fun for me. And so I be in the mountains and things. We be in the mountains like lions, mountain lions. My favorite animal is the lions, though. In the heights of the mountains, heights like night and day. The coyotes high as a kite. Yo, 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 little wing. Yo, 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 my echoes. Skitting, playing plays of words, rapping, dancing, functioning, rayified. My name is Ray Certified, because we all certify surplusing climates and climbings of rotations of reactions of countings of attention, adding in the sights of viewings of the mountain tops and tops up the heights and the highs of just saying hi to everybody, breezy through the cool echoes that go through one ear and out the other. You hear the ears do be hearing here and there clear views, stance points. Here I stand and point at everybody, towards everybody, cause we is everybody and we is the ones. A1 since day one, everybody acing under the sun and above the sun. We is the sun, side to side with the sun. Sunshine, sunshine. I am the sunshine, you are the sunshine, so bright and high as the sun. And that's that sun. That be shining through within you. This is Ray. That was still show my lord. And I also freestyle too. And so this is Ray. And so, right now I'll be also playing a song of mine before I end the live. Or this is art. Actually, I'm just see y'all in a minute. This is Ray. I'll see y'all in a minute. And I appreciate y'all. I know everybody appreciate everybody, so alright, I'll see y'all in a minute. This is Ray. Alright, everyone, this is Ray. Hey, everybody's Ray. Everybody's